Hello everyone, welcome today, brand new day on Tuesday, January the 5th, 2021. We have only one regular Sudoku Medium. Yes, it's a Sudoku Medium. By the way, in this newspaper, extra Sudokus in additional, I believe there are 8 extra Sudokus. But first, we will solve this baby. Yes, number 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2. Yes, 2, 1, 1, 2. All right. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 4 is 10, 13 plus 4 is 17, 18 plus 2 is 20, 22 plus 4, 26 printed digits. All right, 26. So if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars, this one is a 2 stars Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. We have a 1 in this column, a 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here. Oh, there we see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. Alright. Let me see. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1 there. So the 1 could be here or could be there. So we have a 1 in this column, the first column, 1 in one of those 2 boxes, in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 1. Alright, how about this big square? 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 7. 1 in this row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 4, 5, 3. How about these 3 numbers? Those numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. We see here 5. We see there 5. No 5s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 4 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about these 2 numbers? In the third column, the 2 and the 9. 2 and the 9 are missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 2 goes there. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We see here 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. Here 2, no 2 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Then. 9. How about the 3 in this column, the 3 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, here 3, no 3 there. Only place for the 3 should be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. Here 6, no 6 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. Alright. Now the 2 is missing in this big square. The 5 is missing in this big square, and the 7 is missing in this big square. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Yeah. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, show the column next. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1, alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those numbers 2 and 4. Alright. Two and 4. Three missing numbers in the first row. Those numbers are the 2 is missing, the 5 is missing, and the 7 is missing. And look, we have a 2 and a 7 here. So no 2 and a 7 in this box. The 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left should be the 5. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 2 and the 7, as mentioned before. Yeah. So we have a 2 in the last column, a 2 in one of these 2 boxes in the column next. So in that column, only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see here 2, we see there 2, no 2s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Alright, 9. 9, 3. 9, 3, and 4. 9, 3, 4. All right. 3, 3. We have a 4 in this row. 4 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column, so the column between. Only place for the 4 should be there. Then. 6, 4, and 6. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For the numbers 3 and 5, we have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 7. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only place for a 7 should be there. Yeah. 8, 6, and 3. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 4 and 6. 4 and 6. Let me mark those 2 numbers. Cannot fill this yet. 9, 9. 2 numbers left in this column. For the numbers 9 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 8 are missing. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 3, 3. How about 6 to 4, 6 to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6 is missing, and the 8 is missing. Let me see. 4, 1, 2. Yeah. 3, 1, 2. 7, 2. Yeah. 8, 3 and a 5. Yeah, 5 in this row. No. We have a 5 here. The 2. I'm missing the 2. 2. 3, 2 and a 3. Yes. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. The 2, the 3, and the 8. We see here 2 and a 3 in the last row. So no 2 and a 3 in this box. The 2 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 8. Alright. 8 should be here. 1, 2, 3. Yes, 3 in this row. 3 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place for the 3 should be there. So the 3 and the 6 are left. Let me... No. 3. No. The 8 and the 6 are left. We see here 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 here. So this is going to be 6 anymore. This should be the 6. And this should be a 4. Now we have a 3 there. So this is going to be 3 anymore. This should be the 3. And this should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this is going to be 2 anymore. This should be the 2. And this should be a 4. Alright, now we have a 2 there. So this cannot be 2 anymore. This should be the 2 and this should be a 7. 1 box left in the first row for the number 7. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 2. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So middle column, only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 3. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 4. Alright. 9 in this row. 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 5. Alright. 1 box left in this row for the number 6. No, 6 we have. The 8 is missing. These 2 boxes are left for the numbers 4 and 6. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 4 should be here. 1 number left in the last row for the number 6. 1 number left in this column for the number 8. 1 number left in this big square for the number 5. 1 number left in the middle column for the number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 6 and the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 5 and 8. 5 and 8, we see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 8 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube for new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy and keep on puzzling. See you later with the extra Sudokus in the additional. Bye bye for now.